Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off repost notifications on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok app, and you want to select the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Just open up your profile page, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right, left click on it, and go down and select settings and privacy. Underneath the content and display section, you want to select notifications, and then underneath where it says accounts you follow, so if you scroll down, so underneath post suggestions, posts from accounts you follow, go ahead and select that. So you may have to turn this top option off to toggle it on before you can actually go ahead and modify some of the settings below. Because even if you turn off the get post notifications from accounts you follow, even if you toggle that off, some of these other settings might still be enabled for certain users down here. So basically you have to go from account to account, each one individually, and click on that account and select none for each one of them. And you would go down, make all the selections down here, and then you would just be able to then toggle it off at the top right here just by left clicking inside the oval one time. That'll turn off the notifications going forward, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.